let's get into this eyeshadow right quick. I just filmed this eyeshadow look inspired by Jackie Aina. I'm not sure if I pronounced her name right, but this is what this video is going to be about. Welcome to my channel. This your girl Chandra Icy, individuals carrying confidence independently. And if you are new, this channel is all about beauty, makeup, and tutorials. And as you can see here with this video, we are going to be doing a purple smoky eye eyeshadow tutorial inspired by Jackie Aina. This is one of her oldest videos on her YouTube channel, so I decided to remake it and do it my own way. So if you are interested in this eyeshadow tutorial, go ahead and stay tuned. If I pull up, just say, don't break it, honestly, getting it. Or should I go and take care of shit, make me wanna fit? I try to give you my attention, you want none of it. I thought I gave you all my love, but it wasn't enough. She said, I need you in my life. Girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie. But if you do, just save my life, save my life.